time being, let me briefly describe Innovation Lab. The basic purpose of Innovation Lab is to start from an idea. It can be from a scratch idea to a product. Is it clear? That means
Excuse me, sir.
idea to product. That doesn't mean that being aerospace students, you should deal with ideas pertinent to aerospace. Okay, you have all freedom of making your idea to a product, whatever be the idea, of some relevance. That will be there definitely. Not useless ideas, ideas of some practical relevance to a product. So, having said that, you have the freedom of whatever idea you are having, and during this period, I think this semester, within this semester, even though it is a short period, you have to convert that idea into a product. So there may be many ideas. So think about, with a rational thinking, you should select the right idea which you can finally end up into a product, within this short span. Let us say, I don't know when this semester ends, but you know the time period available in between. You know, you have to deal with the other subjects and all. But irrespective of that, since you have the freedom to go for your idea, I think time is not a big factor. Since it is your own idea, your own interest, and among your ideas, you should select the best one. You should select the best one in such a way that you have the confidence to complete that idea within this short span. Is it clear, my statement? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's clear, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because every time I used to ask, because now we are dealing with online mode, right? If it is offline mode, I can see everyone's face and I can immediately get your response. But now I am sitting somewhere else and you people are in many places. So the moment, is there any problem with my audio? If it is not audible, you please let me know. Please feel free. So as I mentioned, the overall theme about Innovation Lab is this. Now, here comes the next problem. Unlike in the past, now because of pandemic, we are obsessed with online mode. And there comes the next constraint. What is that constraint? You look at in the past, I mean, serious effort in this Innovation Lab. They can always think about physical models. Now, because of this online mode, I don't think that is a good option, this physical mode, because we will have several groups and each group member will be in different places. I don't think, this is my opinion, if you feel it is possible, okay, no.
Sir, you're muted, sir.
Excuse me, sir, you're muted.
Sir, you are muted, sir.
Hello, am I audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So what I am saying is, again, I am repeating. Now, because of the pandemic and everything is in an online mode, unlike in the past, that means your seniors and all, they can implement their idea as a physical model. And now, with the present situation, that is the last option, the physical model. So we can think about now everything is, what is that called? IoT, yeah? Internet of Things. So think about something, not your idea, whatever be your idea, think about that idea to product as something like Internet of Things. In the form of a software having practical significance, direct practical applications, etc. Especially when we talk about the practical applications, the present pandemic poses lot of avenues, especially related to how to utilize this crisis to make some relevant ideas to products in the form of, rather than physical models, in the form of Internet of Things or in the form of applicable softwares. So this is, I am giving you my idea. It is your responsibility to filter out whatever good things we are sharing with you, and parallel with your ideas, you come up with a concrete, useful idea that you can implement within this short semester. So, in addition to that, we are giving you the freedom means. I think the total strength of the class is 57, right? So think about at least 5 students in each group. So we will have somewhere close to 12 groups, or even 10 groups is enough. You split in such a way that 2 groups may have 6 students each. I think 57 is the class strength, right? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So if 57 is the class strength, you can manage with 10 groups. The only thing is maybe one group have few additional students. That is up to you.
Sir, we
And-
already have 9 groups, sir. Like the project
Hello?
groups are to be continued.
Project group means no problem. But in that case, the group strength is 3, right? You want to
Yeah,
have
sir, we
18
have
groups?
merged. Yes, sir, we have merged 2 groups into one, so there are 6 in one group.
Okay, fine. That is good. That's good. Because those project groups are again according to your interest and all. I think you formed that project group, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it is okay for me. That means you are saying that 2 groups will be merged, means 6 students each.
Yes,
So
sir.
what will be the then total number of groups? Can you?
9 groups, sir.
Oh, that is enough, because at this time that is better rather than having lot of
Yes.
groups and without coming
And
up.
Sushil sir
with
informed
any-
us to have the same groups for avionics lab and innovation lab.
Oh, okay. So these groups, can you merge, and the class reps can make an Excel sheet. Okay, Excel sheet. Just give the group number, this merged group. So you are
Okay,
saying
sir.
that 9 groups will be there. You
Yes.
can create And if you don't mind, please send to Sushil sir and to me as early as possible.
Sure, sir.
Eh? That is one thing. And before sending that list, my suggestion is, since you people know each other, each group members know each other, their interests, etc., why can't you decide the best idea within few days time, and that idea you can put it in that Excel sheet corresponding to each groups. Is it okay? You take your
Yes,
time
sir.
means not 1 month, okay? Few days time, within few days, you think about what is the best idea, especially in this present pandemic time, what should be the best idea that we can go for, and we can definitely make it as a product by the end of the semester. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Definite, right? So these are the things. Now, since I'm talking for a while, now you can please feel free to have your opinions about the innovation lab.
So what's it?
Ah, yes.
So can you repeat it again?
What you
Sir.
want me to repeat?
Sir, you said something now, sir. Can you repeat it, sir?
The last part?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, after preparing the merged list of 9 groups, okay, hello, in that Excel sheet, each merged group, whatever your idea which you want to implement as part of the innovation lab, just give a brief title, okay, and if possible, just 1 or 2 sentences about the relevance of the idea and your commitment, actually. Your commitment in what form? Of making that idea to product within this semester.
Okay,
Is
sir.
it clear? Hello?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think Sanjeev Krishna is talking, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it clear, Sanjeev?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
So that is what. And finally, what I mentioned, now it is time for you people can share your opinion about the innovation lab and any clarification needed, etc. And one more thing, I think this innovation lab is only on Thursday, right? 2 to 3:50. I mean 2 hours, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you people can make your opinion about this innovation lab. Please feel free.
Sir, if possible, can you give some examples of previous year projects so that we can get an idea?
No need, right? Then it won't be an innovation, right? If
Okay.
because whatever you feel relevant to the society, okay, nothing to do with aerospace. Please understand that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Is it enough? That statement. So whatever relevant, whatever you feel, you or your group mates feel is relevant, you can go for it. But the issue is, to be honest with all of you, our past experience, first few weeks, yeah, they will come up with beautiful ideas and they will put effort also. But at the end of the semester, nothing will be there. So This time, even though we have a lot of limitations, my advice and request to all of you, whatever idea you want to implement, it is your responsibility to ensure that you have the product at the end of the semester. So go for that type of idea and put all your sincere effort towards achieving your target. What is your target? The product. And as I mentioned, we cannot, that is why, since some of you asked about some idea about the past innovation lab and all, there is no point, even if we are dealing this innovation session, the offline mode also, then that the title itself means it is innovation. It's a new thing, yeah, not following someone's ideas. So having said that, it is to respect that title innovation lab. Plus, nowadays everything is in online because of the crisis. It is better to think a totally a different thing because, as I mentioned, we have to think about software. Okay, rather, I mean, sort of software products rather than physical products, because all your group members are in different places and it is not at all possible to come up with a physical model. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes,
Yep.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
think in that direction. So that constraint is something totally different from the past. Am I right? Because
Yes.
the past we never encountered this type of situation, right? This online education, online mode. So
Yes.
think about that. And I'm sure that all of you have immense talent and lot of ideas nowadays. All the you fellows having much better ideas than old fellows. So think about something and you can market it. If your product is a worthful, I mean useful product in the present situation, definitely you can market it. That incubator system is there, Amrita incubator. Through that all, you can take credit and you can market it. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So think about that way. Rather than taking it as a credit purpose, I mean, just for getting few credits, you think in that way. Because whatever your idea, nothing to do with aerospace. So more than getting a better credit or something as part of your academic performance, you consider it as a future option. Future option, because I know that some of the students are too good in practical things rather than theoretical aspects. So those fellows can think about in the right direction. Think about converting their ideas to product and market it. And nowadays, lot of opportunities are there. So utilize all opportunities rather than finding fault with the system, rather than finding excuses because of the present crisis, etc. Instead of that, you consider this crisis as an opportunity. Doing small things. I'm not asking about rocket science to implement. You think about small things, but of practical significance. Even a layman can appreciate. Not an academician, not a great researcher. No, ordinary people can appreciate your end product. If you succeed that statement, obviously you can market it as hot potatoes. So think in that way. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That should be the market strategy. So that way you should look this innovation lab. That means no pressure from the faculty side. You have the freedom. So with that freedom, definitely, since there is no exam, what is that called? Exam pressure, no faculty pressure, no assignment pressure. It is only your interest, your idea, and it is your responsibility to make it as a product. And if the product satisfies the criteria that I mentioned, if it can satisfy the requirement of a layman, obviously you can market it like anything. So these are the small things. It doesn't require high-end thinking, no rocket science involved. It is your interest and your obsession, your sincerity, your integrity towards making that idea to product. That's all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So with that in mind, you can make your comments, whatever as you feel.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Ah, okay.
Can we
They
come up
student,
with?
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can we come up with an idea for a physical product, and can it be on paper alone, sir, or do you need an end product or something
Any
like that?
product, yeah. But of course, no problem if you are going for a physical product. But you should have at least a prototype. Okay. Are you following? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You should come up with a prototype.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, just a sketch, yeah, anybody can do. I'm not
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
discouraging. I'm not discouraging. I am talking the fact.
Yes.
Now
Sir.
it is high time we should come up with something
Okay, sir.
rather than just because once you sketch it, it still remains as an idea. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Your idea, you are representing in a pictorial manner. That's all. That doesn't mean that we reach the
End product. Yes, sir.
end product. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So because of that, I'm not at all discouraging about physical, coming up with physical products. Of course, if your group members can agree with that, definitely you can go for it. But you should come up with a prototype rather than simply a sketch of the product.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, why others are keeping quiet? Yeah, please feel free.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, what if we have the idea, but we are stuck in a state where we need help of a teacher or something like that?
Help of the teacher.
Teacher. Yes, sir.
No, this is purely student effort. We
Okay.
will able to guide you only. That means whenever some problems, yeah, regarding some or to fine tune your ideas, to give appropriate advice, those things you can expect from our side.
Okay.
Because otherwise it won't be, because later assume that, okay, I will answer that. As I mentioned, right? Assume that you ultimately made your best product, okay? As I mentioned, you are the owner then. You are the owner, okay? You are the owner of that product. The faculty doesn't having any ownership.
Hmm.
Are you following?
Yes,
You
sir.
can market it whatever way as you like.
Yes.
That is one thing. In addition to that, that I already mentioned, right? Amrita incubator, something is there, right? You can, if you feel that rather than marketing myself, if it is through the institute, they will do, at that time they will help you how to market it and all. But coming up with your product, that means idea to product, it is your sole responsibility, because at the end of the day, with your product, you are the owner of that product, no one else.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Okay.
Hello?
Okay. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I'm clear.
Sir, I have doubt regarding how the lab is going to work, sir. So this
How?
is an
How?
entire how the lab is going to work, sir. Like we're going to be meeting every week for the entire semester. So how often will we have reviews? How is it going to go, sir?
No, it is not about reviews. This is the first class, right? Definitely next week, everyone should come up with their ideas and give just 5 minutes presentation. That is possible, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That is possible, right? Today is Thursday, next Thursday, first you will be merging your group. You will be deciding within couple of days. With that decision, once you decide the idea, you can present it in, let us say, 2 or 3 PowerPoint slides. Am I right? 5 minutes presentation is possible, right?
Yes, sir. That will do. Yeah.
Next Thursday. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Just 5 minutes presentation. It's not a big job. But you should not go for the presentation for the sake of presentation. You should come up with your own idea, which you are serious about it. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Don't take it lightly, because as I mentioned, it is your idea, your product, you are the owner. Keep in mind that. No one will take credit, me or Sushil sir. Okay, so it is your product. With that freedom, I think, yeah, no pressure. So I hope students will put the right effort.
Sure, sir.
So please feel free to, if you need any clarification, please feel free.
Sir, Saptagiri person had a doubt about guidance with staff, sir. Like, to make it more clear, he was asking about if we are doing it in a particular field, say computer science, can we get any guidance from that staff or something like that?
Is it needed?
In case
Maybe
if it is needed.
Sushil sir will able to give you proper input. Okay,
Okay, sir.
don't worry about that.
Yes, sir.
Especially computer, I not, I'm, what is the right thing? Yeah, Sushil sir knows about, right, much better than me, the finer aspects about coding aspects, especially related to electronic gadgets. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
but again I am repeating, yeah, even if you make a soap box, okay, or a
Yes.
pen holder, that is also innovation. Keep in mind that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But that soap box or the pen holder should be an innovative thing. The moment a layman utilize that or use it, he should feel the difference between the existing, pen holder or the soap box with your product. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah, that should be the attitude while dealing with this innovation.
You're trying to say
Yeah.
that for an existing product, bringing in more innovation.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Exactly. And keep in mind that definitely every time I am repeating layman. So you think about useful products, not fancy things. Is
Yes,
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Hello, Ramanathan. Why are you keeping quiet? No doubts.
Sir, no doubts. Sir, you
Hello?
are telling our doubts.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Am I audible to you?
Sir, yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Yeah, why you are keeping quiet?
Sir, no doubts, sir.
No doubts.
Yes, sir.
Everything clear.
Sir, now we have to only think, no, sir.
Yes. So, any clarification needed, please feel free.
Okay.
If not, we can wind up this session. If not, okay. But as I mentioned, you have to prepare that Excel sheet as early as possible with proper thinking. Okay. My request to all of you, don't prepare that Excel sheet for the sake of finishing that job. Are you following? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Think properly, accordingly, prepare that, and every group, each member should make their own contribution in the best possible way. It's not about making simply passive comments. No. Everyone should seriously involved in this exercise. That is my advice. Okay. All group members should seriously involved in this exercise. Agreed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very clear, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
now it is up to you. Okay. So any more clarification needed, please feel free. That is up to you to decide. One more thing, now I am expressing only my way of thinking. You can suggest further improvements in this innovation lab. Okay. But remember, because of the present situation, we may have to compromise few things. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please, proceed in the right way with the right intention. Okay, with the right intention, you should approach this innovation lab. That is again and again I am repeating. Because you have the freedom.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, should the innovation be related to engineering or respect to any field, sir?
Engineering means, if it is I don't know how to classify engineering from any other field. Any other field means can you what is your
So, like, so simply, instead of doing like related to machines, can I do something related to websites?
Oh, definitely, 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 definitely. No problem, nothing. But whatever websites, it is having some practical relevance. Agreed. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Practical significance should be there. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, no restriction. As I, at the very beginning, I mentioned, right? Absolutely no restriction. No restriction. But unlike in the past, yeah, even though we put lot of effort in the initial phase, hardly 2 or 3 came up with reasonably good things. Rest, nothing. Even though all the groups initial stages put lot of effort, that is the hard reality that I am talking while all of us were in the campus. Okay, in the offline mode I am talking. So your batch can make a difference. That also during this pandemic time, if you people put sincere effort, definitely your batch can make a difference. So it is the responsibility of all 57 students of your batch to achieve that goal. That is my humble request to all of you. So, will you do that or not?
We will try our best, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You should try your best. Yeah. That is why never go for fancy things. Okay. Fancy things in the initial stages, everyone will appreciate. But at the end of the day, that fancy thing remain as a fancy thing. So don't go in that direction. That is my advice. Okay. What
Yes,
more?
sir.
Anything else? If you are happy and no further clarification is needed, then we can leave. Else, we can continue. So when can I expect that Excel sheet ready? Hello.
So within 4 to 5 days.
Today is Thursday, right? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Maybe Monday is a good day, right? To get that.
Yes.
Agreed?
Yeah, okay.
Monday okay or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Then maybe, yeah, you can plan about that 5 minutes presentation next Thursday, tentatively.
So
Okay?
can we have more time to think about the ideas? Monday
Yeah,
seems
definitely.
pretty soon.
Okay, Monday, then it is Tuesday. You want more?
Yeah.
Then Wednesday.
Yeah, okay. Wednesday.
But if it is Wednesday means the next day, Thursday, you have to give a 5 minutes presentation. Okay? That is not a problem, right?
Yeah, if we have decided on the idea.
Yeah.
Sure.
So,
Thank
but if it is Wednesday, absolutely no problem for me. Okay. But get ready for that presentation next Thursday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, anything else? Sanjay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Nothing else, sir. We can wind up, sir.
Okay, we can wait.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.